Next up, the editing room key. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This is yet again on TV station, and you'll find this all the way on the you'll need to go there on the first floor first, so to the northwest side, to this live action section, and take these stairs up here. When you head up these stairs, you'll have the editing room right here. There is an alternate staircase you can use on the far west. Anyways, let's get up the stairs here to that section, heading across and up here to 2F. Here we have this little platform bit, and right next to us, this room here. This is the editing room, and that door over there is the locked door that we'll need to go into. So here you go, this open door here, sometimes with AI in it, as you just saw. And just through this locked door at the back of this room, we have this little dark room. Inside of here, we have some possibly loose loot on these tables. Then on the far side, a safe with, for me, these items inside of it. That's really good, but this is locked down. Keep that in mind. Then on the table here, some loose loot, not bad. And to the right, a filing cabinet, which for me has not much, times 2, times 3. Then finally, a small little crate directly to the right of the door, and inside of here, I have these items. Not bad. With that, we've now pretty much covered this room here. It's worthwhile checking for small things on the table, as that's probably where you'll find most of the good loot, and of course on this sink as well. On the tray, there seems to be some stuff, so there's quite a bit of loose loot in this room. Anyways, that's really it for this quick guide. So, hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.